Welcome back to another video. So this will be regarding Bool Tool. If you go to Edit, Preferences, Get Extension, if you're going to search for Bool Tool, we're going to see the following tool over here. Now the main advantage is that we can either make this to be destructive or we can make it as a modifier. So initially I'm going to start with the destructive one. I'm going to press 1 to go to the front view. And by default this will be the box tool. As you can see, I can drag a box. And when I'm going to release the mouse, that will do the cutting over here. We can also do the following. While we have this selection done, we can press space. And if I'm going to hold the space bar, this will enable me to pan this. We can also rotate it. So if I'm going to press R now, in this case, we need to hold it down. And this will allow us to do a rotation. And as soon as I will release that, that will do the carving. We can also do various types of carving, so we can go with circle. In this case, you need to hold down shift in order to keep this constrained. Otherwise, it will become an ellipse like this, so keep that in mind. The same functionality with space, we can have it repositioned, and we can rotate it with R. But what is most interesting is that we can add a pattern directly within the tool. So if I will just do the selection like this, if I will hold down the right arrow key, this will add elements, and if I will hold down and press the up arrow, this will add onto the other axis the number of instances. And we can easily pattern those around over here. Now we can also use the following one, which will be polycarve. In this case, we're going to see that we can draw a poly selection like this. We can end it by going on to the first vertex, but it is just easier to use enter when we want to finish that carving. And we see how easily we can crave various cutouts over here. In this case, since that didn't go outside, it carved everything, but like this, we're going to see it will carve like that. Now, this will be the destructive method, and we can also use the other one. So let me just hide this cube, create a new one. And the second method will be based on modifiers. In this case, if I will go, for example, and create a box carve over here, we're going to see this was again set to destructive. So make sure you change that before you're going to do the carving. So this is now set to modifier. And we're going to see the following over here. So this will actually do a Boolean cut over here. And we can further choose to work with that. So this will be the cutter, and again we can change this. We can scale it, we can rotate it, and we can drag it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I really like the new tool, this improved Bool Tool. As we can see, this will offer some great flexibility, and we can do some interesting designs quite quickly. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.